By the way, Harsh is back. Harsh, say hi. Acha, now go and get ready. We have to shoot the video. You have to unbox the sneakers that we are giving away today.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Go and get ready. Alright, so we have a couple of packages that you can see. These are 2 sneakers for the giveaway winners that we did in the under 5,000 sneaker video. One is a Puma RS2K, one is a Air Force One Creator for both the winners like they chose in the giveaway. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a look at one of my very special sneakers. Here they are, this is what I am talking about. And not just that, we are also doing a giveaway for a pair of Jordans, which we will tell you about in a bit. Harsh, which sneaker are we giving away today?
अभी बताना है
नहीं अनबॉक्स करके बाद में दिखा देंगे ना. तो पहले क्या करें, पहले लेट्स गो एंड अनबॉक्स दिस beauty, that is the showstopper of the video obviously. So let's do that. By the way, these are one of those sneakers that I wanted from a long time. It is sort of my dream sneaker. I know everyone knows that I want the Red Octobers. They are the ultimate grills for me. But nevertheless, these are also one of those sneakers that I really wanted. And I sold a couple of precious sneakers of mine. Like I said in one of the videos, to get these, that is my top 5 sneakers. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly go ahead and unbox these sneakers. And then we will talk about the giveaway. And also, Harsh will be unboxing and showing you what pair of Jordans are we giving away today. That was my dream sneaker pickup, the Air Jordan 1 High Off-White Chicago's. And now before we move further into the video, let me first quickly show you what pair of Jordans that we are giving away today. Because like you all know, I always like to include a giveaway very similar to special shoe that I pick up, because I want you guys to be equally excited. So let's go ahead and see what shoes do we have for you guys today. Harsh, by the way, Harsh is going to be unboxing the sneaker for you today. Vash, can you pick up this kachra from here? Alright Harsh, are you ready to unbox after so long?
Yeah.
Don't look in the screen, look in the lens.
Okay.
Okay, unbox, come on. अरे जूते बॉक्स के बारे में तो बोल, ये बॉक्स का कलर कौन सा है?
बॉक्स का कलर क्या करना है लोगों को?
अच्छा ठीक है चल कंटिन्यू कर.
शू इज इम्पोर्टेंट ब्रो, नॉट द बॉक्स.
अरे भाई कलर तो बोल कौन सा है एक बार.
क्या करना है उससे?
अरे एक बार तो बोल कलर कौन सा है, इज डिफरेंट.
शू की कलर ब्लॉकिंग से फर्क पड़ता है.
तू पहले बॉक्स का बोल, बॉक्स का
मेरे को बोलना ही नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है ओके, तूने अनबॉक्स भी कर दिया यार.
Yeah, so these are the Jordan 1 KOs in the Chicago colorway.
Wow!
And I think they are pretty fire.
Alright, so these are the sneakers that we are giving away today. Now to win this sneaker, all you have to do is, obviously all my regular viewers know the drill. No Harsh? What do you think we should set the target for the likes at today?
जितना usually रहता है.
How much? How much? Tell me how much?
3,000.
3,000? 3,000 likes? Alright, so
3,000 होता है ना usually.
Yeah, 2.5, 3K तो पहुंच जाता है. Alright, so to win this sneaker, you have to like this video and take it to 3,000 likes. Follow me on Instagram. Leave some nice comments below, but do not mention giveaway in any term, because if you do that, I will delete your comment and you will be disqualified straight away. I will announce a winner in the next video for this, and also for the 5 monthly memberships for the Cube ACO bot that we made in the last video. Was it the last video? So yeah, we'll announce the winner for that and for this Chicago Jordan 1 KOs in the next video. By the way, we have another thing to discuss in the next video because like you saw, Harsh is back. Even though he was away, he did cop something on retail and sort of in a smart way. It was like a small little trick. I'm talking about the easy slides. So we'll share that experience with you in the next video. Probably it might help you to cop them on retail again when they drop next week. Talking about the Chicagos, I just want to share what really happened. So basically that released a couple of years ago, I think in 2017, and I had bought them a couple months later, but unfortunately that turned out to be fake and I had to give it back. Obviously I got my money back, there was not an issue, but after that the price just kept shooting up and I couldn't really at that time afford to buy it because I had to buy a lot more other things to make regular content for you guys with latest sneakers and stuff like that, so I never happened to buy it. But now finally, like we discussed in one of the older vlogs, I am going in for my top 5 sneakers. I want to complete them, and that is why I sold a couple of sneakers. So that is how I bought them. I got them for roughly about 4.5 lakhs if I'm not wrong. 4.5 lakhs, right? 4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs, roughly for about 4 lakh rupees, which is a hell lot of money. But I have sold a couple of sneakers, so that's not an issue. And
ये वाला legit check किया ना?
हाँ किया ना, we use that Legit Check app. By the way, if you guys not know, I made a full video about Legit checking sneakers, so you can never go wrong with that. The video will flash over here. I'm going to tell you about that again and again. Just go and watch that video and you'll get an idea. Also, you can get a free Legit Check if you use my code and things like that. So go check this video out. Alright, so that's all from us for today. Those were my dream sneaker pickup, my most expensive Air Jordan 1 ever till date. I know you must be thinking about the Dior's, but my Dior's were lows and I had bought them for retail, so that doesn't really count. This is the sneaker that I paid a lot of money for, more than the trophy rooms. Obviously, trophy rooms I got it cheaper. Any which ways, that's all for today. If you're watching till here, then do not forget, but you must have already liked because of the giveaway. So let's just end this video. See you in the next one. Peace. By the way, I got this new hat from Von Dutch, or I don't know however you call it. How do you guys feel about it? It's after a long time I'm wearing a baseball hat. क्या लगता है?
मेरे को तो अच्छी नहीं लगी.
ये मत कहना क्या अच्छी नहीं लगी?